Here's a great deal on a 2009 Hyundai Sonata. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has less than 25,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget, such as remote keyless entry, one-touch window functionality, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, heated door mirrors, and air conditioning. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.